Connected is designed to bring every part of your business together in one integrated solution. At its core, Connected provides full financial accounting and includes easy-to-use payroll imports. Monitor customer receivables with powerful customer queries that make it easy to identify outstanding balances and overdue accounts. Drill directly into customer records to review transaction history, update account information, place accounts on hold when needed, and add internal notes. Supporting documents, including emails, contracts, and other files, can also be attached to the customer record. Save the customer aging report to My Reports, where it becomes a static snapshot of your data. Add highlights, text, lines, and notes, all without affecting the original report. Every vendor record provides quick access to contact information, payment terms, account balances, transaction history, and supporting details. Create vendor bills directly from the vendor record, then review and modify GL account distributions before posting. This gives your team the flexibility to verify coding, allocate expenses correctly, and ensure transactions are accurate before they're recorded in the general ledger. When it's time to pay vendors, payments can be created directly from the vendor record using printed checks, electronic payments, or credit cards. Generate and email payment advices from within Connected, keeping vendors informed while streamlining your entire accounts payable process. Create recurring journal entries for transactions that happen regularly, then review and edit them before posting. Make any necessary adjustments, verify account distributions, and post with confidence, knowing each recurring entry has been reviewed. Generate a trial balance and send it directly to My Reports, where it's saved as a static snapshot. Highlight key information, add notes, and use color to mark up the report. When additional detail is needed, drill down from the report into the account ledger, then continue directly to the original source transaction. Add reminders or follow-up notes to individual transactions, making it easy to track outstanding items and communicate with your team. The bank reconciliation window provides a clear view of outstanding transactions, making it easy to reconcile your accounts. Reconciliations can be exported to a spreadsheet, and supporting documents, such as bank statements, can be attached directly to the reconciliation record for future reference. Connected also simplifies payroll processing with the Payroll Import utility. Save GL account mappings once, then import payroll entries each period with a fast, consistent, and accurate process. Where Connected becomes especially powerful is when you extend beyond accounting and bring your operations into the same system. What's important is that everything flows from here. Your inventory, orders, and production all tie directly back to your financials in real time. Restocking inventory begins with the Inventory Item Query, where saved Connected views display the information most important to your team using customized columns and layouts. Refine the results further using the Custom Search Builder to quickly locate items that meet specific purchasing criteria, helping buyers focus on exactly what needs replenishment. When it's time to reorder, generate purchase orders for multiple vendors directly from the filtered results, reducing manual entry and speeding up the purchasing process. The Purchase Order Ledger provides a centralized view of every purchase order, with flexible filters that make it easy to monitor status, review activity, and locate specific orders. Purchase orders can be posted directly from the ledger, then emailed to vendors as a PDF in just a few clicks. Connected automatically records the email activity as a note on the purchase order, providing a complete communication history for future reference. Each inventory item is updated in real time with order information, keeping your team in the loop. Connected integrates manufacturing directly with inventory, purchasing, sales, and accounting, giving every department access to the same real-time information. From the initial customer quote through production, shipping, and invoicing, every stage of the process remains connected, reducing duplicate entry while providing complete visibility into the status of every order. Begin by creating a customer quote, entering the requested products, pricing, and any special requirements. Internal notes can be added to capture important details throughout the sales process, while customer approvals can be documented directly on the quote. Once the quote has been accepted, convert it to a sales order with a single action, eliminating duplicate data entry and ensuring all customer information carries forward. An order confirmation can then be printed or emailed, providing the customer with a clear summary of their order. Without leaving the sales order, review detailed item information using the Item Information tab. Before production begins, use the Inventory Item Query with a saved production view to identify manufactured items requiring attention. Custom views and search criteria allow planners to quickly review current stock levels, inventory commitments, and manufacturing requirements, helping prioritize production before shortages delay customer shipments. Drill into any manufactured item to see exactly which customer orders require inventory, the quantities needed, and when those items are scheduled to ship. Create a work order directly from the sales order using the Actions menu, then schedule it for production. Because the work order is linked to the customer's order, production requirements, inventory demand, and order status remain connected throughout the entire manufacturing process. View every work order associated with the sales order directly from the Work Orders tab. Print a production order for the shop floor, then commit the required inventory components to ensure materials are allocated before manufacturing begins. As production progresses, update the work order stage to reflect where it is within your manufacturing process. For lot or serial controlled products, assign lot numbers and expiration dates directly on the work order as part of the manufacturing process. Before completing production, review the manufacturing entry, including inventory movements, quantities being produced, and the accounting distributions that will be posted to the general ledger. Once everything has been verified, complete the manufacturing entry. Using the built-in hyperlink, return directly to the customer's sales order without searching through menus or transaction lists. The newly manufactured inventory is immediately available to fulfill the customer's order, allowing the remaining quantities to be committed for shipment. For lot and serial-controlled items, Connected prompts you to reserve the required inventory before shipping. When the order is ready, use QuickShip to process all committed quantities in a single step. Enter shipment details, including freight charges, package counts, and tracking numbers. Print a packing slip that also includes lot and serial number information where required. The shipment automatically creates an unposted customer invoice, which can be reviewed before posting. Update details such as a customer purchase order number if needed, while built-in controls help ensure inventory quantities, pricing, and financial information remain accurate throughout the process. After a final review, post the invoice and email it directly to the customer, completing the entire workflow from quote through manufacturing, shipment, and invoicing within a single integrated system. Discover how Connected can help streamline your business. Submit a request through our support site, speak with one of our customer representatives, or visit accounttech.com to learn more.